In this list, we aren't looking at your standard weekend away camper for a little family holiday. These vehicles are some of the most expensive, luxurious, modern, and technologically advanced camper vans on the market in recent years. If you already own any of these design masterpieces, it's safe to say you must be doing pretty well for yourself.
Number 10.
More like a holiday coach than a family camper van, the Deluxe certainly lives up to its name, combining space, comfort, and style. This is Carthago's flagship model for a reason, featuring a classic wood brown and cream leather finish with 4 comfy seats when driving, and a host of lounge and bar seating for relaxation. This vehicle also comes with a huge amount of individuality, as you can choose between different chassis, 2 bathroom designs, 3 rear bed designs, and 4 seating groups in the lounge area. The Deluxe also boasts a 3-burner stove kitchen, working toilet, air conditioner, and an outdoor shower, as well as much more.
Number 9.
Despite featuring a retro style on the outside and within, the Notinliner doesn't skip out on the modern technology. The kitchen boasts 2-burner stoves and 2 induction hobs, as well as a refrigerator and an oven. The camper can also be equipped with central heating for those colder journeys and has a beautiful built-in shower unit. The Notinliner can seat and sleep 4, but it has enough room to host 2 extra people when dining. You may be thinking that the camper looks a little on the chunky side for what it is, but it actually features a garage below the main sleeping area, heated and big enough to hold a smart car for those shorter holiday trips to the shops.
Number 8.
The Monaco Diplomate looks big from the outside, but once you take into account all the hidden storage and features within, it's enormous. The Diplomate looks like a cross between a fully equipped house and the Oval Office from within, and will definitely transport you in style. The 43-foot-plus camper is full of secret slide-out compartments and foldaways to keep your clutter out of sight, and even has enough space to sleep 5. This includes a king-size bed as well as slide-out compartments that house sofa beds and a blow-up mattress. You can also enjoy an electric fireplace, 2 baths, a toilet, dishwasher, microwave, satellite dish, home cinema, and even a heated floor.
Number 7.
The majority of these campers are pretty smart to look at, but the interior of the Liner Plus is out of this world. It boasts white and mahogany surfaces with chairs plush enough to sort out any back pains after a busy day. There are actually 3 furniture designs to choose from, so you can even tailor your new camper to your personal tastes. The camper is separated into 3 sections that can be isolated by sliding doors. At the front, you have a living room and fully equipped kitchen, followed by a beautiful bathroom in the center, and a large bedroom at the back. There is also an extra sleeping compartment above the cabin. Much like the Deluxe, this camper also features a garage beneath, big enough to house a smart car or Fiat 500 type of vehicle.
Number 6.
If you thought having room for a Fiat 500 was impressive, this next camper has enough space to house your nicest sports car. From the outside, the Mobil Performance looks luxury, and it doesn't disappoint within, with its pristine, clean, all-white finish. Again, this camper can become completely individual to you, with the website listing 6 example floor plans, but open to suggestions. What you will get is a lounge space fit with a TV and enough room for 6 people, a large shower room, and a double bedroom, as well as a fully equipped kitchen. The definition of luxury travel, and you would expect it at over $1 million.
Number 5.
Forget everything you know about campers. The Elysium breaks the mold, chucks in a whole lot of money, and then rebuilds it. We've gone from housing a smart car to a sports car. How could we beat that? This vehicle features a concealed mini helicopter and a rooftop helipad. As if this wasn't enough, the rooftop deck also includes a hot tub, and with a 48-bottle wine fridge down below, that sounds like a recipe for relaxation. Being extremely technology-oriented, this camper also boasts 3 75-inch 4K TVs, Bluetooth speakers, modern kitchen electronics, motion sensors, driver touch controls, and much more. The Elysium also has plenty of sleeping space, 4 large living rooms, a fireplace, induction hobs, and a smart toilet and shower.
Number 4.
The Vario Perfect comes in a number of different sizes, styles, and iterations, but our favorite, which just so happens to be the biggest, is the 1200 Triple Slide Out. Luxury is personified by the beautiful cream leather and wooden finishes, with the interior looking more like an expensive country club than a camper van. This version has an undergarage with room enough for a Porsche 911-sized car. The Platinum also boasts a large double bed, extra extendable couch bed, leather lounge with 3 seats, bar compartment, and even a safe. The kitchen includes a dishwasher, oven, microwave, induction cooker, and 2-burner stove, with the bathroom standout feature being the mansion-worthy, pristine shower. There are too many additional features to name, but you're certainly well looked after in this luxurious camper.
Number 3.
For all the luxury motorhomes we've seen so far, this might win the Most Unusual award. This camper travels comfortably at 80 miles an hour on land, as well as up to 7 knots on the water. It's an amphibious motor coach. Another attractive feature of this luxury motorhome is its promise that you can have any decor you want as long as it fits to the floor plan. All furniture, electronics, decorations, and floor coverings can be chosen by the individual. Combining a luxury yacht and camper van all in one, you certainly get a lot of bang for your buck with this one.
Number 2.
Palazzo translates as palace, and this motorhome could certainly pass for a palace on wheels. At over $2 million, this camper has been referred to as a land yacht for very good reasons. One of its most eye-catching features is the Sky Lounge, which rises out of the main vehicle to make a rooftop nightclub, containing both a top-of-the-range audio system and a wet bar. Back inside the camper, and the modern minimalistic design definitely stands out against some of the other vehicles on our list. A 4-meter couch with bar, wine cabinet, ice machine, and a giant TV screen is the standout feature of the internal lounge, with the kitchen and bathrooms both also catching the eye. The master bedroom features a king-size bed manufactured by the same company that makes beds for the British royal family.
Number 1.
Company American Coach decided to name this motorhome after the country's great icon, the American Eagle. This camper has more plentiful space, complete with 2 bathrooms, a lounge area, and a separate bedroom. One of the most exciting elements of choosing this vehicle is the chance to design it completely yourself, including the interior paint and any extra features. Raise your hands if you ever thought it was possible to buy a camper van with a helipad. These motorhomes have taken travel to the next level, bringing you the freedom of being able to go wherever you want, when you want, with all the luxury of 5-star hotels. Whether you're massively into your tech and yearn for a state-of-the-art vehicle, or you're searching for slick, classy comfort which allows you to kick back and relax, these world-class campers have something for everyone.
guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.